5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, if you're just joining me, and if you haven't seen the previous video, you'll notice that I did unbox the Xiomi 70MAI dash cam here. What I also had purchased alongside was the Samsung 64GB memory stick, goes right there, and then the GPS module that goes alongside and with the 70MAI. So we are going to go ahead and open these boxes and see, mostly do a quality control check and make sure everything that we would want is in here as it was advertised on Amazon. The whole rig, I think probably like 70 bucks, 20 for this, maybe another 20 for that. So it will about $100, less than $100 on Amazon Prime. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the GPS module. There's like a little mount holder. I think it comes with a little sticky that you stick on top of the windscreen on the inside. And the actual GPS module, as you can see, it also comes with its own adhesive sticker here. So, and this part, the back side, actually fits into the camera, and then we'll see in a minute. But basically there's something here on the windscreen. This goes on top, and then the camera is going to go on the other side. So it'll be on the inside of the GPS module here. That'll be a connector. I'm going to keep that over there. Get rid of this one. Let's open up the box. Pretty cool, great packaging. As you can see, it's pretty much black. The box itself, 70MAI Smart Dash Cam Pro, it says right there. Nifty. Comes as I mentioned, that's the thing you're gonna attach like so. The camera, I believe it moves, so you can adjust it. This will be the inside, so you'll be facing here, and that would be facing the outside or on the street. So that's what's getting taped, and this is getting connected to this. I believe it goes in like so. Okay, fits quite well. And then there you have it. And then you have these buttons with various functions, and we'll explore those in the next video. But you don't have to buy the GPS module to adhere this to your windscreen. So it functions by itself. As you can see, there's another piece here. So it comes with its own adhesive, and you can take this, hit it to the windscreen, and then the Xiaomi would fit right in here, just like so. So that should be a non-issue also. And that, as I mentioned, comes with its own adhesive film. And then we have a few more things here. Let's take a look. Okay, so this okay, so this is the USB to the power, and so this would attach to your power thing here on the Xiaomi. Or maybe it's this way. Okay. Very cool. The cord is quite long. It's so you can extend it all the way down to the your ashtray socket. And I believe here a few more things. Oh, cool. All right, so we got the cigarette lighter connector right here. The red one, if you can see clearly with the light, the red one is the one that I guess you want to be able to use your connector. Goes into your cigarette lighter, right? So, and then this one, it's kind of a cool tool. This one you can use to insert the cable, this extra cable, into the side of the car, so it doesn't hang down from your rear view mirror. But we're going to be doing that in the next video when we're actually going to go ahead and do the install. So let's go ahead and do a recap. This one, you don't really need it unless you want to make sure that you can hide those cables so they're not hanging from your rear view window. It goes back in there. cigarette lighter connector, very basic. It plugs in, has an extra port, so if you want to charge your phone, you can do that too. Let's stick that in there. Where is this one? Back in there. Take the power plug out. Stick that in this bag. We'll take all of this back out to the car and then we're going to install it. So you'll see that in the next video. Back in here. Adhesives go in there. Extra connector goes in here. And let me see. What am I missing? And this thing closes back up. There you have it. The Xiaomi 70MAI dash cam design award for 2019. So it's probably one of the best products that was in the marketplace last year. We're just getting into 2020 now, so I think it's going to give us a lot more years of great fun, great videos and road trips. I hope you'll be able to share with me and enjoy them as well as I tape myself around town. Okay, thank you.